Hello guys, today in this video I am going to make Captain America's outline using grid method. Watch the video to learn how to make it. Here I am using an A4 size paper. Make a grid to the left of paper having 6 columns and 13 rows. Each box's size is 2 by 2 cm. Reference photo link is given in the description. Use a HB pencil to draw the outline. Do not make the outline dark. The eye is to be drawn in 4th and 5th row. Draw the nose in these 4 boxes as shown. After drawing the outline, erase the grid lines. In the next video, I will show the shading of this sketch. This is how it looks after erasing the grid lines.